Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give update on Deepak Nitrite share. Before also we have made a video where we said like there is an inverse head and shoulder pattern breakout, and see after that we gave a target of 2556 and that has been achieved as of now. So what is going to happen next? So if you are here on the first time, I would suggest please go through this video till the end because we are going to cover so many informative and very important things in this video. So please stay tuned till the end, and if you like this information, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, so let's talk about Deepak Nitrite. Today's closing is at 2534.15, which is 9 points above. If you look at the financial, the year-on-year basis, total revenue has been increasing. The EBITDA also has increased from 210.86 to 1271 crore. Net income has increased from 79 crore to 775.81 crore. See, year-on-year basis, the way the total revenue and EBITDA and net income has increased, this company is comes under a kind of multi-bagger stock if you compare it to for the prices of before 10 years. So if we look at the Deepak Nitrite is a leading manufacturer of organic, inorganic, fine and specialty chemicals, and it also manufactures wide range of intermediate for use in industrial explosive paints, cosmetics, polymers, optical brighteners and others. And this is the market leader, and this is having around 70% of market share in sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate and nitrotoluenes in India. Okay, so uh, as we are talking about market leader, there are so many things this is this company covers, and this is also among the top three global players for xylidines, cumidines and oxymes. Deepak Nitrite story, it starts with 2017. So the real turnaround for the Deepak Nitrite is from 2017. What happened that time? If you see the China's crackdown because of the air pollution, so many chemical factories, they started closing it down. And what happened? The demand of chemicals was still increasing, and Deepak Nitrite companies got benefit out of that because the manufacturer of chemicals for the Deepak Nitrite and the global raising demand, and the Deepak Nitrite's export stories is really amazing. So starting from 2017 till now, over this 10 to over a decade, Deepak Nitrite's revenue, margin, net income has been continuously increasing. So it launched a new product, diversifying the business and focus more on exports. So as of now, Deepak Nitrite has worldwide customer and they are happily satisfied with the services provided by Deepak Nitrite. So, as global companies started to reduce their dependence on China, it changed the fortune of many chemical companies in India, one of it being Deepak Nitrite. Deepak Nitrite was quick enough to foray into manufacturing of pharma grade isopropyl alcohol. So, this is the intermediate chemical which is used in manufacturing of sanitizer. And you know, the way the COVID is spreading over all over, the demand of sanitizer is also increasing, and the company set up separate plant for its Dahej manufacturing complex. So if the sanitizer demands are increasing, definitely the manufacture of pharma grade isopropyl alcohol will also increase, and Deepak Nitrite is a manufacturer of this IPA. So definitely the net sell or the export of Deepak Nitrite will be increasing, and that's what we are seeing in the revenue and their quarterly results. Okay, the key worry for the company was its increasing debt, but now because of the strong operational performance posted by the company in past 2 years, they have brought their debt significantly down. So earlier it was 1.58 in March 2015, but now it stands 0.25. So if we look at this like on a long term basis, maybe in few years the Deepak Nitrite would be a zero debt company, which is a very good thing for Deepak Nitrite, and the cash flow of the Deepak Nitrite would be increasing, so they can they can put their expenditure in a new product launching, they can explore new things, and they can expand their business also. Now, posting consistent growing financial is common for 100 bagger stock, and similar is the case for Deepak Nitrite. Have a look at the chart below, shows the company's revenue and profit over the year. So it is continuously increasing from 2017 till 2021. Okay, and when we are talking about the wealth creation, mere 15 to 10 years ago, share have zoomed up to 2500 levels. So if you think like if someone has already bought this around 10 years down, then today he must be a crorepati. Okay, so you would be sitting on a handsome profit of rupees 1.5 crore definitely. So this has proved a multi-bagger company. Now what, have we already lost the entry over here? No, because the India is looking to become one of the world largest export for chemical. The success story of Deepak Nitrite is far from over. So this is just a beginning. There is so many opportunities there, and the demand is going to increasing year on year basis. So definitely Deepak Nitrite is going to be a favorite stock for all the traders and investors. So this is a really good stock to keep it in your portfolio for a long term basis. Now the thing is like it has showed 3500 high, and after that it was going downside. So it may have happened many people got stuck here around 3000 area, because see there was a kind of a flag pattern, but that got failed and it dropped down. But the good thing is like it maintained a support of a 200 level. So it it came near 200 level, and after that it gave a bounce back. So what has happened, see, it made a kind of inverse head and shoulder pattern over here. This is the neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern. It gave a breakout and now it is sustaining over here. So the sustaining, it's like it's not going down, so it is showing the strength. Now the other thing is the quarterly result. Q4 results are about to come, and they would be coming anytime in Feb start. And as always, Navin Fluorine will be the one opener for the Q4 result. And what happens last time, what happened, Q3 result of Navin Fluorine was really bad, and that has impacted all other chemical companies. So Navin Fluorine chemical result came back and suddenly everything started falling. So if you see here from October, this is the time where the results started coming and everything was going down and down and down. Okay, so 1 month was a downfall for the companies. But now everyone, we are expecting a good result from all the chemical fertilizers companies. Okay, and because of the COVID, the sanitizer demand is going high, the exports are going good, so we are expecting good result here. But we have to look forward for the Navin Fluorine result also, because that is going to give us an indication where the chemical companies will go. So keep an eye on the result section also. And here if you look at the chart, the inverse head and shoulder pattern already given a breakout. It is retesting the support and it is sustaining over here, which is a good sign. And from here we are still intact with our target, which is around 2800. We can see this within 2 to 3 months, and if it sustain here around 2800, we can again see a high of target 3000. So if you have this stock in your portfolio even for a short time, keep like hold this stock, so you can see the target of 2800 in few months. And if you are holding this in your portfolio for a longer term also, this is also good thing. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. And one more thing, there are so many news and updates we have given in our another video, which is there on 29th of December. I have mentioned the link in the description videos also. So if you want to like to know more about this Deepak Nitrite company, please watch this video, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you so much.